The thought of Tamil Nadu skaters are giving me jerks. They have been incredible in the cadet category. We have some great lineup here. We have one from Maharashtra, Delhi, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Puducherry. This is going to be an incredible race here going ahead. Let's see what we have in store here. It's a silence. It's the entire rink is in silence. They're all waiting for these young
Please,
kids to start off.
don't bring your hand inside the railing at all. That's the skater zone. You may stop the movement there. Please keep your hands inside and don't bend the sheet.
Let's see what we have in store here. It's almost 5 seconds to the start of the race. Wow, we see a great start from the Maharashtrian. Oh, we have a fall. We have a fall at the very start, but it's at the back of the packs. Not much to worry about. But we have Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh leading now. Uttar Pradesh, Neil Yadav is leading. Who is the Maharashtrian skater? I need to watch the chest number closely. 1 second before I give any confirmation. Okay, we have Vivan from Maharashtra. Vivan from Maharashtra in the lead. We have Uttar Pradesh, Neil Yadav following closely. We have Vivian from Maharashtra still in the lead. Vivian from Maharashtra still in the lead. And now it's the UP skater in the lead. Now the UP skater in the lead. Neil Yadav in the lead. Neil Yadav. The last lap. The last lap. The last lap. Vihan. Tamil Nadu skater is behind. These Tamil Nadu skaters are chasing brilliantly. UP Tamil Nadu. Who's going to win this? UP or Tamil Nadu. Who's going to win this? UP or Tamil Nadu. Who's going to win this? It's the UP skater in the lead now. UP skater in the lead now. UP is going all the way. UP is going all the way. Wow, UP is winning the national gold here. National gold. Gold for UP. Tamil Nadu in second and Maharashtra in third. Incredible racing. Incredible racing from the UP skater here. Neil Yadav has been brilliant tonight. He is amazing. We have a national champion. We have a national champion in the form of Neil Yadav from Uttar Pradesh. Great racing, kids. Great racing. Let me go live with these kids now. Here we have guys. Neil Yadav from Uttar Pradesh, the national champion. Give a big round of applause. They are not stopping even now. They are still racing. We request the teams to come here, please. Neil Yadav. All three members, please come to the finish line. So firstly, we have Neil Yadav from Uttar Pradesh winning the gold. We have Rudra Sachin from Maharashtra winning the silver. And we have Vihan from Tamil Nadu winning the bronze. Sorry for the small mishap, but I don't have it. But anyway, congratulations to Nabi. Anything to say? Nabi, giving a party to everyone. ये हो गया ना? पैसा कहते हो?
कैमरा ऑन लगे रहेंगे काम ही बेसिक कर
Anyway, congratulations. Happy birthday. Say anything you want to say? Anyway, thank you so much. We have the 3 national medalists. Give a big round of applause for the Japanese fans. Come on.
तलवारों पे सरवारिए अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया तब जाके कहीं अपने सर पे ये सजाया है
Sorry, but can I know what is this? Okay. It's the reverse of something. Anyway, thank you. Let's go on to the next stage. We give a round of applause for the Star Media.
Seven minors, 4 rounds. 7 minors, 4 rounds to go.
Hi guys, I'm back again here. We have the next category here, the 7 to 9 cadet female. It's a great lineup again. It's a 4-lap race. Who do we have here on the line? Oh, we have a Puducherry. 2 Puducherry here. Is this going to be history? 2 Puducherry skaters on this final list. Will we have medalists from Puducherry? The sport is growing to every nook and corner of the country. This will be an inspiration for an entire state of Puducherry if we have medals from here. What are we going to have here? Let's see what's in store. Let's see what's in store for now. It's a 4-lap race. It's going to be amazing. These kids are going to rock. It's going to be really, really good to see what's going to happen here. Silence all over. It's a silent race, but we have an attack from a Puducherry skater. She's taking it right from the start. What's going to happen? She's attacked right from the start. She's taking the lead here. Puducherry is taking a lead along with... This is surprising. This is really, really surprising. She's taking a massive lead here. Puducherry and Rajasthan. Puducherry and Rajasthan. Lakshita Vanya. Lakshita Vanya. Lakshita Vanya. This is history. Puducherry or Rajasthan. Will they hold it? Will they hold it for the next 2 laps? They will the national.